Hello, FaceTime Live, Jamie here. It is cocktail time live with Jamie at 4. I'm actually doing really good today. It's 4:15, so we're almost on time. I'll give everybody a few minutes to join in. It takes everybody a few minutes. Marcus is here today. I have a couple of people at the bar, so you might hear some cheers and some. All right, thanks everybody for joining me. Hello Heather, hello Wanda, hello Ralph, hi Sean, hi everybody. Welcome or happy Monday to everybody. Cold, dreary Monday. I hope everybody has a cocktail in hand and they are ready for happy hour live with Jamie. As most of you know, I've been doing this since the beginning of March, and it's kind of fun. I find new recipes, new things, and I, just play around. Hi, Susan. We'll see you in a little bit. Hi, Sean. Hi, Heather. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a hi so I know you're here. Like to see everybody around. Let's see. It's Monday night. It is buy one, get one free wings tonight. I think it's $12.99. You have a choice. There's smoked wings from our smoker. And you can call ahead, 647-3000. We're here now, so call anytime. Buy one, get one free wings, hot or barbecue. Smoked wings. Hello, Heather.
Hello. 3 hours.
Oh, smoked for how many hours?
About 3 hours of smoking.
3 hours, Marcus said they are smoked for. So, hi, Hillary. I see a few more people joining. Wow, I got a big crowd today. Thanks everybody. Hi Dean. Nice to see everybody on. Let's see. Busy day today. We've had a lot of groceries going out. I did a delivery this morning. It's almost Thanksgiving, so happy Thanksgiving to everybody. I'm not sure I will get on Tuesday or Wednesday. Busy days. I got to get pumpkin pies in the oven. I got to get working on that. We are sold out, unfortunately, for our Thanksgiving dinner to go. About 100 or over 100 meals we will be serving on Thanksgiving. Those of you that are coming to pick up, don't forget we have wine, we have beer, we have all of our groceries that you can pick up and take with you on Thursday. And if you need a grocery order Tuesday or Wednesday, just let me know. We're here all day. We're prepping. I don't mind getting you groceries if you need anything, wine, anything. So let's see. Today I am going to make a fig and prosecco, almost like a fig and a spritz. Typically I make a Zamaro spritz, and today I'm going to be using this black fig vodka. Michael Davidson, awesome guy. He's probably going to be on at some point. I'm going to be using his vodka. He makes an apricot vodka and a fig vodka. Cool stuff. This bottle is awesome. Take it home. I have a few in stock. I think I have 3 in stock up there. We're not going to bring back the apricot vodka right now. I will bring it back. Apricot's more of a summer fall drink.
You can special order it though.
If you want it, you can special order it. But we are going to keep the fig in stock. So I used Catskill Mountain Sugar House, their honey. That's in the drink as well. We sell these, they're available. I have honey every morning in my tea. So I've already put some honey in here. I've already put 2 ounces of the fig vodka in. Ooh, sorry. And mixed it up because honey, as you can see, can be kind of tough to dissolve unless you have it in a warm, oh, there we go. Perfect. Mixing that up. I made a mess here. It's all right though. All right, so I'm gonna add ice to my glass. I am going to pour my honey and fig on ice, and I'm gonna top it off with Prosecco. And that's it. Easy, simple drink. Great to have at home. You know me, I like simple, I like easy. Simple ingredients, better quality. This Fantanelle Prosecco, awesome place in Italy, northern Italy. Marco, good friends with him. Love this Prosecco. This is our house Prosecco. We've been there, we were there once, right? But we see Marco, we haven't seen him in a while, but we see him in New York a lot. Let's see how this tastes. Actually, I'm gonna mix it up.
Good for Thanksgiving.
I think this would go great for Thanksgiving, right? It's a really good fall Thanksgiving drink. Oh wow, that's got a lot of fig in there. Marcus, want to taste?
Of course I do.
Awesome. Thanks everybody. We got a nice crowd on today. People must be home for the holidays. Who's cooking their turkey? That's really nice,
You
right?
have an in-person crowd too.
I do have an in-person crowd. I got some people at the bar. I'm sure they're going to cheers me when I'm almost done. It's like being at a sporting event where you have the crowd or non-crowd and they cheers you as you're, doing something good. So this is awesome. Fig and honey. Let's see. Tonight, $9.99 buy one, get one free wings to go, hot or spicy, 647-2000. There you go. The phone's probably ringing. I doubt anybody wants to sit outside, but if you do, we do have heaters outside. The fire pit probably will not be going tonight. We are closed Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday is takeout only, and we are sold out of Thanksgiving dinner, but we'll be back on Friday. And hope everybody has an awesome night. Get out there, get some sun. I think there might be some sun tomorrow. Get out there, get some vitamin D. Remember to take your vitamin C. Keep your immune system up, and we'll see everybody. Maybe I'll get on tomorrow. I know we do our Wine Time Live tomorrow. I'm looking at Marcus. Wine Time Live. We'll review a bottle of wine tomorrow. Talk about a winery. Oh, thank you, Heidi. I really like your sweater. Cheers. I appreciate that. Haven't seen you in a while. Hope all is well with you and your family. Happy Thanksgiving to everybody, and I will see everyone tomorrow. Have a great night.
Woo!